Right.
Yeah. I don't know. We don't like going there because
They charge you $30 cover.
Good morning, Philippines! Why'd you not feel good? Why did you be lying down? Nobody wants to see you make the same thing. Give me something else to make. I'll make it and you can film it.
God, it's gonna be chickeny. You clean it properly, huh?
Hmm?
You clean properly. It's gonna be hala. Why you have to dry it really bad?
Because I want to see if the breading sticks better. It says it'll stick better if you dry.
Those words have lived in my heart for nearly 20 years. It's the reason why our nurses and caregivers deliver a high...
Why you keep on transferring it?
Because now I can take the paper towel out of here and I'm going to need this dish. This was just to soak up the oil.
Just leave that dry here. It's nicer when it's
I don't
dry
need it.
itself. Oh, you need it?
Yeah. I'm going to put the chicken in here. So I had to get it out of there. So I'm going to put it in here.
Han, my ear. Honey, I'm not joking, Han. It's just Eric, Han.
Yeah, you probably got an infection that's going into your ears. And
This
you
is
really should see
suddenly
the
like...
doctor now.
I am gonna put garlic on my ear.
Garlic on your ear.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Well, garlic fights bacteria, so maybe that has a merit.
What merit?
Well, garlic fights bacteria, so maybe that has some kind of merit. That...
This is a different, looks like it's a different method now.
Looks like what?
Different cooking style.
Oh, I understand that.
Hello guys, good morning. I'm still wearing the same thing guys. Pasensya na guys. Pasensya na kasi masakit. Diba sabi ko masakit yung half side ng ko. Palagi, hindi man palagi. Play once a month ko ito naramdaman. And then this time, dito on my ear, and every time I swallow the saliva, it's connect to my ear and the head hurt. Coughing hurt the ear. So what I'm gonna do is like my grandma used to do to us. So what she used to do is crush the garlic, whole garlic, and put it for the side of the ear, like where it hurts. Ito, maginaw guys. Yun na yun siya guys. Lalabas na siya ay. Siya parang a little bit, hapdi. Kasi yung juice ng Ayan, ayusin ko lang po siya guys. Dahan-dahan lang kayo guys kapag maglagay nito para hindi papasok yung garlic sa loob ng tainga mo. Saka delikado. Okay na yan. What is this, honey? Why this is out that juice of the... Hello guys. Balik na ako guys. Nakahiga lang ako kanina kasi as in sumakit talaga yung paghawakan ko lang dito naggumagrabe. And then labas kami, di ba? Sabi ko kay Tami, hindi ako pwedeng lalabas, pero sabi ni Tami lalabas tayo kasi yung kapitbahay na nasabihan na sasama kami mag dinner, malapit lang dito. Sabi ko, hindi ako sasamahan, hindi tayo sasama kasi kahit yun, ganun. Dito, connect, dito, and then yung scalp ko sa right side, sobrang sakit. And then, sasabihin ninyo magpaano ako, nilagyan ko na siya ng ng garlic itong tainga ko guys. Maliligo ako mamaya. Pasensya na sa, bago ako kanina nahiga, nilagay ko yung kurtina guys. Kasi yung cortina kasi, kakaiba siya kapag ano, kasi wrinkle pa siya, di ba? Kasi bago pa. Yun yung problema kapag bago. And nilagyan ko ng puti sa gitna, ganon. Ewan ko, I don't know if you can see properly. And ito yung ano ni Tommy, chicken, whatever, I don't know. Yun siya. So, what are you doing? Harvest daw siya ng parsley ng kanya. Kasi marami siyang parsley doon. Parsley galore. Okay, let me do it myself then. No, you cannot.
Oh, look at it, nice string bean.
Yeah, it's... No, be careful. I have a string bean.
Oh, we got one string bean that's dead on the ground.
I have string beans then. Be careful. Oh, there's string beans over there.
Yeah, I'm not stepping on them.
Hala, you're too heavy, oy.
Oy. You just cut the whole branch, right?
Yeah. Whatever branches you have. You should use more because you have parsley in the refrigerator.
Is it still there? I didn't see it.
Yeah, probably bad. Ang daming okra, guys, oh. You can get more. It's nice to have more parsley. Parsley. Look, meron tayong okra, guys. Marami dong batong, oh. Harvest ko yan. Yan, hinugasan niya yung parsley niya. And then, look at his chicken. It's good. He said he's moving it to a container. Ang dami naming vegetables and fruits. This is vlog, guys. Pasensya na, guys. You can see my husband more of this vlog.
I know it's boring because we already made this before. But I want to try something new. The breading didn't stick as well as I would have liked, so we'll try something else. Apparently, it'll stick better if you dry the chicken and then put it in the refrigerator, let it get chilled, and then take it and bread it. So supposedly the breading will stick better to it. So it seems to work.
That's good, honey. That's good. So he said he made this before already, guys. So it's the same thing. But this is kind of different now because he babied the chicken more. So how do you like your chicken? You made this and you tried it already.
Tastes fine.
Tastes good, guys.
You need more lemon though.
I tried it. It tastes good. But of course the fish is more good. Yung kinain ko, it was so good. Si Tommy, guys, naghuhugas. Ito, nag-start na naman siya ng ibang laruan. Different dish. Kasama na lang ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, okay, sama ako, pero ano, baka magsabaw lang ako. So, kasi masakit yung ano ko. Lalamunan. Right, B-boy?
I have no idea what you just said.
Okay. You're gonna take a shower?
Yeah.
It's okay. You'll be smelling so good, you garlic. My little bug na hungry babang. You give them dry food. My husband is really busy cooking. He's busy cleaning up. And ito yung ano niya. Hindi ko pa na ano yung Spanish rice niya, guys. Kung paano niya niluto kasi. Ooh, may tubig siya. May tubig. Hinaan natin, guys, kasi. Punta lang ako sa taas. Pinakain lang ni Tami yung mga alaga. Siya yung busy ngayong araw. Siya yung alaga. Siya yung nagluluto. Siya lahat. And then siya nagpakain. Isa. Siya yung ano. Kasi, buti na lang itong asawa ko. Marunong sa bahay, guys. Hindi pa patay ako. So, yan. Magre-ready lang ako. Para naman meron tayong ano sa mukha. Mag-ano tayo konti. Mag-makeup tayo konti lang. Para hindi naman tayo maano. Meron akong ano, labahan doon. Labahan ba yan? Naglagay lang ako ng konting foundation. And saka, yun, yarn lang. Meron akong ano, guys. Dewy finish, ano. Setting spray. Ini-sprayhan ko itong ano. Ganyan. Hi guys! So ngayon tapos na po ako guys nakapag jeans na ako. I like black. And so as usual, hindi ko kayo masama sa ano kasi alam niyo na. And then also I'm watching Zoe's vlog. Yan, nanonood lang ako sa vlog niya. It's been a long time na hindi ako nakapanood kay Zoe Sag. Do you know her? I watched her a lot before, and I just kind of thinking, I have to watch Zoe. I miss watching her vlog, especially the vlogmas, almost vlogmas, guys. Well, I like vlogmas, pero you know, I upload every day, so it's the same thing for me. Doon si Tami, ligo dyan. Dyan kasi yan siya. Dyan siya maliligo palagi dito sa taas. Ako naman doon sa master bath. Kasi, hiwalay muna kami ngayon. Anyway, hiwalay lang kami maligo kasi gusto niya yung shower dito sa taas. Ako naman, wala akong pakialam kung anong klaseng shower. Basta kayo makaligo ako. Malakas kasi yung tubig dito sa taas. Iwan ko, yun yung hindi magits. Kasi mataas yung mataas malakas. I think because yung sa bagong bagong shower head. Maganda kasing itim. Bibili ako ng mga damit na itim, guys. Itim siya pero may maganda siya kapag itim din, may something color or polka dots, ganun gusto ko 'yon. Mga ganong si damit. And yun, so mga ganito, itim-itim lang. Anyway, so tingnan natin yung dinner. Balitaan ko na lang kayo mamaya, guys, kung anong kaganapan. Kasi first time ko lang mahalubilo na ganito. Yung kasi halubilo namin talaga is doon lang, usapan, ganun, sa gilid. Pero yung talagang nakaupo kakain. I will be right back. Yes, Mama will be right back. Me and Dada will go out there for dinner. Okay? We're gonna go out there for dinner. And I want you to be a good girl because we will be right back. I know. Don't be sad, Roxy. Roxy, don't be sad. Oh, you look so sad. Sad talaga yan si Roxy. Oh. Misty, sit. I know, Misty. Sit down. Behave. You wait. Why you so sad, baby ni Mama? Tus. Ay, alam niyo, guys, naalis kami, guys, kapag ganito. I love ni Mama. Mama's baby. Mama's baby. Mama's baby. No.
Right. I don't know. We don't like going there because.
They charge you $30 cover charge?
Well, he said they charged him. They never charged us. It's always a donation. That's
Because
weird.
it was always a
donation.
suggested donation.
Hi guys, we are home. We are home. I turned the light off in the other side. So, okay naman yung ano namin, dinner namin. Okay naman siya. Did you went to the garage, Han?
Yeah.
Why?
So I can see the garage door is open so bad.
The garage door side? You never really close it, huh? Hi, damn! It's already 9:30 na ng gabi. Sus, ginoo ko, grabe. Grabe yung ano, usapan. Kahit saan na napunta. At saka may ano pa, may dumating pa na ano, tawag nito. Kapatid ng lalaki. So, yun. Grabe yung usapan. So, what are you looking now?
I'm curious. I had that bigger flashlight. You know, like.
Magwiwi lang ako, guys. And yun. Good na. Gabi na, eh. Goodness, ang dilim-dilim dito. So, nag-enjoy naman ako, guys. Pero, ano, ang tagal. Itong si Tami, yung pala salita. Ang tagal. And then, yung mga okay naman yung kapitbahay namin. And then, yung ano lang, yung mga, ano nila, mga salita. You know, mga, ano nila, mga pinagsasabi. Yun, magbihis lang ako, guys, ha. Teka muna, ha. Ang laki. Kailangan kong putulan. Ayun na. Ito siya, okay naman. Pero yung ano, yung kapares, kailangan kong ano, putulan. Eh, parang mainit naman ito, eh. Anyway, guys, hindi na ako mag-ano, guys. Magtanggal lang ako ng makeup. Ganun. And, yan. Andun na naman si Tami na nag-review. Ang hirap anuhin. Han? Hello. Huh?
I opened the screen door, she ran and head right into the glass.
Oh my God, Roxy. You always hit your head, Rox. That's why you're kind of nuts. Hey, come here.
I'm gonna have to go out first. Everything is dead there. Everything. The doorbells, the cameras inside the house, the thermostat, everything is dead.
So we're gonna go drive tonight? Huh?
I'm gonna have to do it later.
Later, you have to let me know because I wanna drive with you.
Oh.
If we're gonna do it, we have to do it. We have to go to sleep first.
Yeah. I have to do it. I can't leave it like that.
Did you turn the light in the garage too? Look at this, Mom. Thing that she never wore. And I tried the bottom one. It's really big. I mean, it need to be
Right.
Need to be cut and thing. Hey, come here. What do you think of the dinner? You're talking too much.
I was talking too much? Alright, that's what it is. I talk. What can I say? I'm social.
What do you think of the food?
The salad's great.
You like the salad?
Yeah. How's the salmon?
The salmon is good.
Okay.
The rice is not the rice that I like.
Right. There's never rice you like. Who are you kidding?
It's kind of watery.
Watery rice?
Halahan.
Oh shit, talking about rice.
Your rice over here. Andito pa yung rice ni Tommy.
Yes.
It's still here. Look. Looks good, big boy.
Well, you taste it and then tell me.
Come here. I
Well, tell me what it
rather
looks like. Taste it. So get a spoon and taste it.
get it. Oh goodness. So let me try Tommy's rice. Huh? Good. Hun? That's good. What? Did you put spicy here?
Yeah.
What spice?
Red pepper.
Not spicy rice. That's not right, hon.
I know. Why, you don't like it?
I like it, but some people doesn't like kind of bite.
A little bite is good.
No. Spicy rice. But it's good, hon. Oh my God. Probably Andy won't like that.
It's not that much spice on it.
No. What kind of position is that? There. What kind of position is that, Dimps? Okay, we're gonna end the vlog. Say thank you. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for clicking the video. And we appreciate it. And so, yan.
Even my wife is complaining that the rice has a little spice to it.
Yeah, you put
I
spice.
added a little crushed red pepper. Not a lot, a little bit.
What? What are you looking?
Color.
I have a bad headache. Okay guys, good night. See you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Sleepy na ako guys. Mag-ano pa ako ng mukha. Maglinis.